The bench press is one of the most famous, if not the most famous exercise out there. It's a full body compound exercise that primarily works your chest, shoulders, and triceps. When done right, it's the most effective movement to gain upper body strength and muscle because it's the upper body exercise you'll lift most weight on and thus create the greatest amount of tension. With your eyes under the bar, lie on the bench. Lift your chest and squeeze your shoulder blades. Your feet should be flat on the floor. Now place each pinky on the ring marks of the bar. Your grip should be a little wider than shoulder width, and you want to hold the bar in the base of your palm with straight wrists. Dismount the bar by straightening your arms and move it over your shoulders as you keep your elbows locked. While inhaling, lower it to your chest. Your elbows should be at a 75-degree angle. During this motion, your forearms should remain vertical. While exhaling, press the bar upward until your arms are extended. The proper form is pressing the bar in a diagonal line from shoulders to chest and back up. This increases the distance but prevents shoulder impingement. Repeat for the recommended amount of repetitions and then re-rack the bar. Never bounce the bar off your chest, and you should always be in control of the weight. Please don't bench press using the suicide grip or the thumbless grip. The barbell can slip out of your hands and drop on your chest. Push-ups target your chest, triceps, shoulders, and core. They are one of the most efficient body weight movements you can do and should be included in every body weight workout program. Lie on the floor face down and place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width while holding your torso up at arm's length. As you inhale, lower yourself downward while keeping your body straight until your chest almost touches the floor. Now breathe out and push your upper body back up to the initial position while squeezing your chest. Pause at the contracted position, then lower yourself downward again. Repeat for as many repetitions as needed. Many beginners have difficulties doing the regular push-up. In that case, I recommend doing knee push-ups. Here, you cross your ankles and have your feet in the air. Knee push-ups are performed in the same manner as the standard push-up, except that you're on your knees instead of your feet.
If you want to become a fitness coach and learn everything there is to know about helping others achieve their fitness goals, then this is the right course for you. Hi, I'm Felix Harder, certified nutritionist and fitness coach. In this course, I will take you through the process of becoming a fitness instructor step by step. You will learn everything you need to know about the fundamentals of good training programs and how to design your very own for you or your clients. Researching and gathering all the information you need to coach others takes a lot of time. So I created this course as a complete program to teach you everything there is to know about the 3 pillars of a good fitness routine: strength training, cardiovascular training, and flexibility. We will go through each of these aspects, and along the way you will learn the roles and responsibilities of a fitness coach, the basic human anatomy and the main muscles, how to assess your client before starting a program, the difference between body weight and strength training, how to design a beginner workout for muscle growth and fat loss, and the right lifting form for the most important exercises. In my time as a fitness coach, I've taught thousands of students with different backgrounds. Obviously, the workout of an athlete who wants to optimize performance needs to be different from the workout of the average person. The same goes for people looking to build muscle or lose weight. So in the course, you will learn which type of training is right for different goals. Of course, you can also just use one of the sample workouts and start with that. The course will give you all the tools you need to help others build muscle, lose fat, or simply live a more active life. If you want to build up your coaching business, be it online or in person, it's important you equip yourself with the knowledge of how to correctly work with your students and understanding their pain points. This coaching course is designed to develop both your personal and professional life. That means it's not just for professionals, but also for beginners who want to improve their own fitness level. You don't have to have any students yet, and all you need is an interest in fitness to get started. The program is made up of multiple downloadable worksheets, ebooks, and other printable resources. If you sign up, you get access to all of them so you can study anywhere and at any time. I want to thank you for checking out my course, and if you liked it so far, make sure to watch the preview clips and read the description.